Welcome to the new English program of TV4U and IBS Radio, Touring the World. We're very happy to add this new program to our YouTube channel. Film your hometown, film your favorite city. We want to see every corner of the world. We want to hear every native story.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम महबाब, my name is Asad and I am a tourist. मैं जनाब बशीर शाद साहब का बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ कि ये बहुत मोहब्बत फरमाते हैं। आप इनका चैनल की भी सब्सक्राइब फरमा सकते हैं TV4U के नाम से, और हमारा चैनल जो यूट्यूब पर है वो भी आप सब्सक्राइब फरमा सकते हैं ट्रैवल विद असद के नाम से। तो आई होप कि आप ये वाली वीडियो ज़रूर लाइक करेंगे। कीप वॉचिंग, सी यू।
Hello guys, my name is Asad. So today I am going to Dubai Mall. So I will make you visit everything. So we are going to go. First of all I will go by metro, red line from Burjuman to Dubai Mall. So I will get off there and then I will go inside. So Burj Khalifa, fountain show and fashion walk. Each and everything today we are going to see. Be with me.
Attention please, the train to Jumeirah Lakes Towers will depart from UAE exchange platform. Your attention please, the train to Etisalat will depart from Etisalat platform.
Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. The next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
So after metro station from Burjuman to Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa metro station, so I am going towards Dubai Mall. So it is, you can see I am just moving by my own. So it is 800 meters to 1 kilometer. So it's be just going like that. So then I will go inside the Dubai Mall. See you there. Finally, I am in Dubai Mall. So it's world's largest mall in the world, and as well as it has 1,200 shops and 70 branded shops, and it's equal to 5 football grounds. So it's a huge one. Believe me, it's a huge one, and it has 4 floors. I am on second floor, and there is a first floor, and there is a ground floor, and there is a LG lower ground floor. So if you are coming over here, if you want to go to Fountain, and if you want to go to Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, so you have to go to the lower ground. And there is a ground floor, and I am over here on second floor. also a metro link and food court. It is available on second floor. So this is food court of Dubai Mall. You can see there are a lot of shops, so whatever you want to eat, so you can eat from here. So this is one of my favorite coffee lab. I can show you here. This is coffee is also available, and as well as ice cream is also there. So this is KFC, and there are a lot of other brands. There are a lot of restaurants you can see from here, so it's one of the good places to eat.